Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. Everything feels normal. The alarm rings, the sun rises, people rush to work, cars fill the streets. Nothing seems different until a message appears on every phone across the planet. Reality cannot be proven. Within minutes, the internet explodes. Scientists deny it. Governments call it a hoax. Most people laugh and move on. But a small group of researchers asks a different question. What if that message wasn't trying to prove reality was fake? What if it was pointing out something much more disturbing? That proving reality is real might be impossible. Think about it. Every photograph you've ever taken exists inside this universe. Every scientific experiment is performed inside this universe. Every telescope looks deeper into this universe. No matter how advanced science becomes, every answer still comes from the same place. Now imagine a fish trying to prove it's living inside an aquarium. It can swim from one end to the other, study every rock, measure every drop of water. But no matter how much it learns, it can never jump outside the glass to see the person watching. What if humanity faces the exact same problem? In 2003, a philosopher named Bostrom asked a question that completely changed the conversation. Imagine a civilization so advanced that creating entire universes becomes as easy as creating a video game. Not just realistic graphics, but real consciousness. People with emotions, dreams, memories, lives. Individuals who genuinely believe their universe is the original one. Now imagine they create one simulation, then another, then thousands more. Eventually, the number of simulated worlds becomes far greater than the number of real ones, and suddenly, probability begins working against us. If billions of simulated civilizations exist, what makes us so certain we're living in the only original reality? Naturally, people started searching for evidence. Some pointed toward quantum physics. Others looked at the mathematical precision of the universe. Some even suggested that strange coincidences were tiny glitches in reality itself. It sounds convincing, until one problem changes everything. None of those ideas can actually prove anything, because every piece of evidence would already exist inside the system being questioned. Imagine playing a video game. The characters inside that world discover gravity, electricity, mathematics, even the stars. To them, their universe makes perfect sense. But no matter how intelligent they become, they can never discover the computer running their world. Not because it doesn't exist, but because it's outside everything they can observe. Maybe our universe works the same way. Maybe every law of physics we've discovered is simply the operating system of reality. Or maybe this universe is completely real. That's the terrifying beauty of simulation theory. Both possibilities produce exactly the same evidence, and that's what makes this idea so difficult to escape. Most theories can eventually be proven or disproven. This one can't, because if reality is truly a simulation, then every experiment, every discovery, and every attempt to prove it would already be happening inside the simulation. Maybe we'll never know the answer, but the question will always remain. So, do you believe we're all living inside a simulation?